Welcome back, guys, and this is what we're doing for the Heroes Day. So we have some yellowtail snapper here, and we have the rest of our ingredients to prepare our polenta. So these are the ingredients. We have our soaked cornmeal, we have our oregano, pepper flakes and the parsley flakes, onion and garlic powder mixture, we have our coconut milk, and we have butter, salt and pepper, you know, the mother seasoning, bay leaf and pimento, and the fish, as I said before, right?
So right now, guys, we're just gonna get on with the seasoning of the fish.
Then we get on with the polenta.
So remember, season from high, only some salt and pepper, a little garlic and onion powder, as easy as that. Fish don't need too much.
Yes,
matter of fact, seafood don't need a lot. But always incorporate garlic when you're seasoning seafood, guys.
Yes, guys, so leave it down in the comment section and tell us who is your motivation or your hero, who is somebody that you look up to, whether it's a family member, an influencer, or whoever, and you can leave the story that made you look up to that person, right? Who is your hero, basically.
Right, so now I'll get some salt and pepper on the inside here.
Yes, guys.
Rub it in. I remember when I use nothing but salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder.
So you have to ensure that it's properly seasoned, guys. And leave it down in the comment section as well, and tell us what was your meal for the Heroes Day holiday, whether it was Sunday or Monday or both days.
So now we're in with the onion and garlic powder. You don't want over seasoning with the onion and garlic powder. That's it. Burn the fish get a burn brown black color when it's frying, because the garlic,
that's not nice.
Yeah. So you use a generous amount of onion and garlic powder. And you can use oil if you don't sure how to get it spread the proper way, because oil spread flavor as well. Alright, now want to catch a drift.
So we're going to marinate these fish for 30 minutes to an hour, or however long you have. So let's get on with the polenta. Let's go. Yes, guys, we have our pot heating up like how we want it. So we're just going to add some oil. See those bubbles coming in? And butter. Spread the flavor, guys. Lovely. Get that bay leaf and pimento seed in, that burst of flavor, guys.
Look at that coming together nicely.
Guys, this is so aromatic and flavorful. You can smell that buttery flavor, the smell from the bay leaf and the pimento seed. It's so good, guys.
Along with that, guys, we're going to add some fresh garlic.
Yes, guys.
Now we're coming in with
Yes.
We're going to come in with, guys. What do you suggest? What do you think? Can you comment already? Can you like already? Alright, so we're coming with to get some cornmeal.
Or soaked cornmeal, guys. And guys, whenever you're doing this, you want this flame to be on a low or medium.
Alright, so now we're going to add a little water. Clean out the pan. Salt and pepper. Parsley flakes, oregano, pepper flakes.
Yes, guys.
Garlic and onion powder. And we give this a big stir.
Ensure that everything is properly
And the
mixed
reason for
in.
stirring is to no lumps or sticking, to prevent lumps and sticking.
Yes, guys.
Alright, now I'm going to give it a big stir there. So now I'm going to come in with the coconut milk. Watch how it goes. And this is just our take, our way. I know the things different around here. You know when I sell off the polenta cake, the polenta, you know, guys, guess. Yes, no? Some peas. Another coconut milk right now. But we'll keep it authentic.
Remember guys, medium or low flame, and you have to keep a close eye on this because you don't want any lumps and you don't want any sticking, right?
So
constant
give it a constant stir until it cooks thoroughly right through.
Yes guys.
So the ketchup in the back gonna reach halfway or near there.
So forward. Yes guys, so look at that, ready, the polenta ready, and bear in mind that we use refined cornmeal, right?
Yeah guys, and off camera we had picked out the bay leaf, so all we are going to do now is portion this and share it, but before we do that we're going to get on with the frying of the fish.
Yes guys, and we had moved to a whisk also.
Yes, as you can see.
Yes, so let's get on with the frying of the fish. Yes guys, the oil is at the right temperature like how we want it, so we're just going to insert the fish, and remember guys, lay away, right? Going to fry these until they're nice and golden. Look at that. We're gonna come back when we're gonna give this a turn to forward.
Yes guys, it's about that time. So
time for a turn. Perfect. Perfect guys.
So the next time when you see it, I'll remove all time.
Alright.
So start off with the quick fingers.
Quick thinking and no quick fingers to spam up the comment section. So forward. Yes guys, it's that time, it's removal time. Nice and golden on each side, right? Give them a rotation, chef. Nice and golden, that's how we want it.
So let's catch you on the back when the plating time.
Let's go. Guys, start dropping them comments. Look at that. Nice like how we want it, right? Remember, follow our Instagram. See that steam coming from the polenta, guys? Steaming hot, right? That's how we're looking at sky view. That's how we're looking so far.
Take out the little piece here, guys.
Guys, the sauce that we chose was customer request, and you know you have to give the customer what they want, right?
A spoon do that, you know, guys.
Lovely, right?
Tell me what you think when we hear it in the comment section with your honest feedback and so forth, guys. So you know the chefs go.
Yes guys, follow us on our Instagrams. Pictures will be posted over there. Yes, guys. So, until next time, bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?